Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I will tell you about what you will get after purchasing Truecaller's premium. So let's start the video friends. So first let's open the Truecaller. So here it is the premium section. You can just simply tap on it. Here it is unlock maximum protection. So you can see there are two things, that is the Truecaller family or Truecaller premium. So let's talk about this one. You will get no ads, advanced spam blocking, verification badge, fraud insurance, call recording, Truecaller assistant, AI call scanner, who viewed your profile. So yes, this is the very important thing, who viewed my profile, who searched for me, contact request, incognito mode, advance. Okay, this is not available. 99 rupees per month plan, and in this you will get all of these but advanced family protection up to +4 accounts. In this 249 per month. So this is cheaper than if you want more device, to get this premium. So yes, the 3-4 things are very important for that. So yes, you can, if you want to buy, you can just see the things in this. You can just tap on it and control your identity. So it will tell you what about all of these things it will provide. This is the ghost call to easily run away from real life spammers. So there are many things you can just take. So here it is. If you want these things, you can read all of these in this. You can see. If you don't think it's important, just ignore it. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.